my name's Brian from Spiritiv.co.uk, and in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to bring back to life one of your tired out, worn beeswax wraps. And for this example you need a few items. So we've got the wrap that we're going to be reviving. As you can see, it's gone all floppy, it's quite old, some of the wax is missing. We need to bring that back to life. Now if you compare it to one of our other wraps, you can see it's still got its firmness and its stickiness, and that's what we want to bring this back to. So you'll also need some baking paper. You might need 2 sheets, but for this purpose I'm only using 1 because it's a small wrap, and I'm going to just fold it over like so. Now this baking paper has been used before. It's still got the wax residue on there, so that's a good tip for you. Keep hold of your baking paper so you can use it for next time. You don't want to lose all that goodness. So we've also got a tea towel just to protect the ironing board. We've got our iron, which is set to medium hot, so on mine it's on the 3 dots, and you need to have your steam function turned off. We don't want the steam. Okay. So we've also got our beeswax refresher bar. Okay, so this has got the blend of beeswax, jojoba oil and pine tree resin to give that lovely sticky feel. And we've also got a grater. We're going to grate the wax onto the wrap. Now it can get a bit sticky and messy, so I don't know, you want to get a purpose grater just for this task, or after you finish you need to rinse it with very hot water to get rid of the wax. Okay, so we're going to zoom in now so you can get a better look at what we're doing. Okay, so we've got the ironing board ready with the tea towel, the grease proof, and we've just placed our wrap on top of the grease proof. So this baking paper or grease proof paper needs to be bigger than the wrap to protect the ironing board, because as you're ironing some of the wax may ooze out, so that's just for protection. So what we're going to do now is get our grater. I'm going to grate a little bit of the wax onto the wrap. Now you don't need a lot, one of these bars goes a long way. We're just going to revive the areas that have the wax missing, and you'll see it come to life. Now it's quite a sticky process, so you will find that the wax does clump a little on the back of the grater, but that's okay, we can just pick it off and place it onto the wrap. And that will be plenty. Okay, so I've zoomed in again here so you can get a better look. And I'm going to remove this wax block now because we've got plenty. And take the grease proof and cover it up, or if you've got another sheet, just place it over the top. I'm going to take our iron now, which is already hot. The steam function is turned off, and we're going to gently iron over the grease proof paper. You should be able to see the wax melting. The wax melts around 60 degrees, the beeswax, so we don't want to stay in the same spot for too long for danger of burning the wax, so keep the iron moving. Now, as you can see, it's changed colour here, that's the wax melting. So we'll keep going. Don't forget the edges. Okay, I think we're done there. So that's fully ironed. Now be careful because it will be hot. We need to peel the paper off. And then peel the wrap from the paper. And all we need to do is give it a waft for a few seconds. And there we have it. Our beeswax wrap is fully revived.